Good morning, traders. Johnny here with the Investing for Beginners community and the Learn to Earn team, wanting to showcase to you our GME or GameStop position that we played out this morning very early. I'm going to start sharing my screen with you guys so you can see the over $200 in profit we made in just about an hour's worth of trading. So let's go ahead and share my screen. All that I ask is that you subscribe to the channel and smash that like button if you see value in what we are going to talk about today. So GME or GameStop, as you can see, this has been one of those meme stock companies that has been going up and up and up over the last couple of days. We thought it was going to end here when it made highs on May 10th and went up 112%. Well, it did not stop there, guys. Over the weekend, it made 112%. Buying yesterday or in any point in time during yesterday's pre-market or today's pre-market, it's up another 167%. Now, since then, it has gave back a lot of that money and momentum, but we are able to trade it, guys, and we are going to talk about it right now in this video. So as you can see, this company I bought at 4 o'clock in the morning. As soon as the extended hours was able to be tradable at 4 a.m. Eastern time, which was actually 2 a.m. my time. It was crazy because I actually went to bed at about 11:30. And as you can see here, guys, real quick, I'm up $214 on the day, $197 to end my position on GME. Now, I did hold a position, one position, to showcase that I had an opening, and I guess I really didn't have to even do that because it's still displaying on my screen. But yeah, went to bed at about 11:30. I was like, man, extended hours is like in 3 hours. I'm gonna go ahead and wake up and see where the market is. I wasn't even going to buy this company. I really didn't want to. I was afraid it was just going to go back down to that $20 level, $16 level. Drinking some coffee. You guys are shrimply amazing. Thank you. If you guys didn't enjoy the live stream, definitely check it out. Because I already made that live stream for today, going a little bit more in detail about everything. But GME, bought one share at $41, and I was like, well, I'll just buy one, see what happens. No biggie. I woke up out of bed, I bought a share, and then I went back to sleep. Well, I woke up almost 2.5 hours later, almost 3 hours later. This says 6:48, but again, I'm 2 hours ahead of Eastern time, so it's actually 4:48 in the morning, almost 5 a.m. And I was like, whoa, this thing went from $41 to $48. Maybe I should buy some more. And so I did. I bought some more. I bought 10 shares. So now I'm up a little over $500 in my total position. And I was like, all right, cool. And I went back to sleep. Yeah, story time for real. Definitely a story time. I went back to sleep and I woke up again at 5:16. Okay, so this was 4:48 to 5:16. That was like, I don't know, 30, 40 minutes of sleep. Had a horrible nightmare about like these big spiders in my house, and I was having to shotgun them dead. And I mean, we're talking giant freaking spiders, like the size of like me, the size of like this huge. Don't know what that means, but yeah, definitely a crazy dream. So I was like, well, I'm just gonna get up, check my position, and I did. At 5:16 in the morning, I bought another 8 shares, another $464, which totaled just I think under $1,000. And not even 10 minutes later, as you can see here, where I bought. So I bought, went back to sleep. I bought, went back to sleep. Horrible nightmare dream. And so I bought some more. And then I sold 10 shares at $62 in a matter of just 10 minutes, a little less than 10 minutes. It went from 58 to 62. I was like, well, I'm just gonna lock in some profits. At that point, I was already up $100. I was like, wow, that's pretty cool. But I didn't want to sell all my positions, so I locked in $100, and then I waited for more confirmation, more selling momentum, and then I sold again. I sold another set of shares. Let me bring it in a little bit. Why is it not showing me? Oh, it was in the same exact 5-minute time frame. Was it? Yep, in 3 minutes. So in 3 minutes, I sold the other 8 shares at $64, giving me a total of 197, almost $200. Okay. Now we're gonna talk about AMC too real quick because I did trade AMC. But man, I missed out on a lot of profit. We could have been actually up probably more like $500 on the day. I would have sold at those $80 levels. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. I don't like to do that, but I do like to show, where I can improve for next time on, whether it's GME stock or whether it's another stock. But yeah, so, and then and then what I wanted to do was save a share. It's like, oh, I'm just going to save a share. And I did, and it went all the way up to the $80. This was actually at $230. I'm pretty sure I have a short, YouTube short, showing that I was up $230. And literally from the time it took for the market to open at 7:30, when I normally do my live streams, it had already gone down. These are 5 minutes, so 5, 10, 15, 20. In 25 minutes, it went all the way back down to previous areas where I bought, losing the entire $20 in a single share, just one share. As you can see here, selling at $45. Now, it hasn't done much. It hasn't actually gone up any. It went up to about 55, and now it's trailing at about $48. Now, this company was halted several times in the live stream. It was halted from people buying and selling. Now, I don't know if that was for across all order types, but at one point I went to sell this up here for a market order, and it said you couldn't sell market order. The stock price has been halted across exchanges. You have to submit a limit order. So it took me a couple tries to submit a limit order that would actually get filled, and that's why I got filled at such a low price here. But overall, made $197 on one company, $215 total, because I did trade AMC here. I made $17.26 on AMC. Again, a very, very short, light position here. I didn't wait longer. I bought 12 shares at 5:05 a.m. at 8:56 for $102. I then sold at 5:30 in the morning, okay, because I'm 2 hours behind Eastern time. At 5:30 in the morning, I sold 12 shares at $10. I set a limit order at 10. I was like, you know what? If it reaches $10, I'll just sell out. Made almost $20. Made $17.26, and missed out on, at that $10 level, I missed another 33%. 33% on $100 would have been an additional $30 or so. Closing the position more like at $45 or $50 instead of $17. But hey, that's okay. We were able to make some money, lock in profits. The live stream today was very loud because I had all these alerts set and didn't realize it was recording my screen. Even though I had my volume all the way down, it still was so loud. So I do apologize for that for all my viewers out there who had to grin and bear it, as they say. But that does make sense because at one point we had like 20 people in the live stream and it went straight back down to like 5 people. And not a single person was like, yo, your alerts are too loud, until like almost 45 minutes into the live stream. And they're like, yeah, your alerts are pretty loud today. And I'm like, oh, dang it, they are so loud. So I do apologize about that if you guys are watching this and happen to watch the live stream today. But definitely go check it out. When I do realize that it was happening, I did correct it, and now moving forward to these next live streams, it should be a lot better off. So yeah, made some money on GME, made some money on AMC, got to lock in some profits and do a video on it. And guys, this is actually pretty cool because I regretted so much missing out on the very first time this happened. I wasn't even like around in the markets at the time. I don't even know what I was doing. I was dividend investing and long-term investing. So I was like trading stocks like and like Maine and Glad, those dividend companies, Stag, that give you small amounts of dividends. And I was just putting money in, building up my account. Totally missed the AMC GME run that had happened in 2021. Totally missed it. I mean, we're talking these companies went up 100%, 300% now in 2024, but back in 21, they were going up like 3,000%, 9,000%, guys. That is insane. That is like a 30 to 90 times return on your money. If you put $1,000 in, it would have went up to like 30 grand pretty much overnight. So we didn't get to see that this time around, but I still got to play a part in it, which was pretty awesome, and make some money and make history, be a part of what will now be history. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos like this. And actually, before you go, if you're still watching, we got some true fans here. I know we do. I know we got some true fans in our YouTube channel. Check out the Investing for Beginners community. Subscribe. First link below, you'll get signed up for our weekly newsletter, a free budget template to help you save money and start investing. If you subscribe to the channel and comment, you'll also get a chance to win a $100 gift card. We do monthly giveaway prizes. Last month we gave away a $100 Amazon gift card. The month before that we gave one away. We literally started this in January and have been giving these giveaways away. If you want to know who won those giveaways, click the little button here on our Discord and get involved with our Discord server, or it's the second link below this video, and you can see all of our past winners, my trade setups, ideas, stuff like that. And also here in the investingforbeginners.com, we have trading tools, most recent earning releases, which we update every Sunday night at 7 p.m. during our Sunday night stock talks, which we hold weekly. Real-time economic calendar showing stuff like current news. Today's like our CPI report, our PPI report, and stuff like that. So definitely very cool information to know. Core PPI right here as it stands. And advanced real-time charts. You can get in here, pretty much plug in whatever you want, like say Target, for example, is on my mind. You have different time frames here that you can use, different indicators as well, if you like the moving average and the RSI. So you can really play around with it without actually getting into, like, say, WeBull or your investing platform that you use. Also, this is updated. So we have 3 stages of reversal, 3 stages of position size. If you guys have been following the channel long enough, you will know that we reference these quite a bit for new investors. We also have a clear, easy to understand example of what exactly support and resistance levels are, and how a resistance level can eventually turn into a support level and vice versa, as well as our risk reward and win rate chart. Very easy to understand. If you have a 60% success rate and you have a 1-4-5 win risk to reward, you will be 100% profitable, or at least 60% profitable, which is pretty cool. So definitely some charts that you guys can use to your advantage. Definitely check them out. Again, thanks for watching. Thanks for being a part of our community, and we will see you all in tomorrow's live stream at Market Open. Thanks, guys, and have a great day.